welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to do a quick review of the tower mug tray and also together with the kitchen roll holder. They come together in the box. I ordered, the pack of 2. And the only thing I've realized is that it keeps a lot of lime scale because we live in London and there's the water, we have hard water. So no matter how much I clean it, I keep getting this whitish lime scale on it. But apart from that, it holds solid. There was one I had before, which is still here. And once you want to move it, this one is Von Chef. To move it, slide it out, I noticed that it's always getting stuck to the table, and if you push it too hard, you might end up breaking your mugs. So I like this one for that fact that it has like a floggy, like a sticky back. So you put it and immediately you want to take it off, move it, shift it to clean underneath it. It's easy to move about. So it can hold 6 mugs. I've got my Supermom mug. I'm going to slide it there. You see how nice it stands, and it doesn't fall off because the handle is well done. You can see I'm sliding it down. Usually some of them, they don't hold well. If you slide it too hard, you just have your mug fall off. But with this one, it stays put. So that's why I like the tower one, except for the lime scale problem. I'll still want to recommend it. So also the tissue, the kitchen roll holder. You take your kitchen roll, white, blue, whatever color you have, and then you slot it in and you're good to go. So you just, cut it as you need it. And this also, like I said, it slides. It's easy to clean underneath it. So if you have it on your table, you can just easily move it aside. It doesn't get stuck onto the table. So those are the 2 products that I got from Tower, and they are quick, nice. It's rose gold. I bought them just to match the kettles, the pots and everything, and I would love to recommend those as well. I must say that I'm not getting paid by Tower. These are just products that I use as a caterer, as a food manufacturer, and I think it might be useful for my viewers who come from time to time to have a look at the recipes that I do. So I've introduced another aspect to the videos, which is the gadgets review. So any gadgets I see that I think will be of use to you, I usually come up with a review. Thank you for watching my channel, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye bye.